Will Smith banned for 10 years. 10-year ban. Look at that. Look at that screenshot or whatever.
Yeah, that freeze frame.
Freeze frame. What a weird. I'm still not.
It's
still weird.
Very. Yeah, I know what you mean.
Still weird. Shout out 2-Bit Bears with the $100 super chat. Jeez Louise. Will Smith formally resigned from the Academy a week ago, saying he would accept any further consequences the board deems appropriate. Well, I guess they decided they did their deeming. They deemed appropriate 10 years suspension. 10 years is a long time. He's not super young. 10 years is a long time. I don't know if you guys think this is sufficient or not. On Friday, the Academy Board of Governors met virtually to discuss the situation, ultimately determining that for a period of 10 years from April 8th, 2022, Mr. Smith shall not be permitted to attend any Academy events or programs in person or virtually, including but not limited to the Academy Awards, according to a letter sent by Academy President David Rubin and CEO Don Hudson and obtained by People. During our telecast, we did not adequately address the situation in the room. For this, we are sorry. This was an opportunity for us to set an example for our guests, viewers, and our Academy family around the world, and we fell short, unprepared for the unprecedented, they wrote. Well, yeah, apparently they asked him to leave, and
he said no.
He said, I'm good. And they're like, oh, okay. And then they didn't say anything. They gave him the best actor, right?
They were like, okay.
We
tried.
Very confusing experience. We asked him to leave. He said no. He said he'd prefer to collect his best actor award.
Imagine they released that.
He told us he has a whole speech plan. He told us there's tears and everything involved. So we can't get in the way of that. I don't know. 10 years, what? Is it good enough? I don't know. Some people said that some people wanted his Academy Award. They wanted the award itself revoked. What do you guys like as a potential I don't know.
It seems really weird.
Like me and you never talked about the slap, did we?
Well,
maybe people are slapped out.
Yeah.
Well, they're probably slapped out.
I'm going to tell you, I'm slapped out.
You're slapped out.
I was scrolling on YouTube and I saw some thumbnails were enticing, but I was like, I can't.
You're slapped out.
I can't do that.
Did you watch the claymation slap? I put it in the chat.
Oh, yes. Then I watched it.
Did you watch the claymation slap?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the claymation slap and then we're done with it forever.
It's really well made. So yeah,
it was fast. They turned around the claymation slap fast. Let's do the claymations. This guy, super talented, by the way, Lee Hardcastle, he whipped it together. I think in one day he put it together. Of course, you have animated slaps.
Wow.
You have slaps with ragdoll physics. Oh, we're going to slap one more time because we're all slapped out.
Right.
We're going to slap one last time, and we're going to do the claymation, stop motion animation slap. Go ahead, Will. We can get audio?
Jada, I love you. G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it. All right? Uh-oh, Richard.
Keep my wife's name out your mouth.
Oh, okay.
It really illustrates how absurd the whole thing was.
It's so still.
The way that they cut it together, the last piece of, okay. That line, okay. And can you just do a little freeze for me on the shot of...
I know. The angry shot.
You know where I'm going?
I
need Jada. I need Jada. Oh, man. Oh, man. And
he also lit it from down, so it looks like she has a mustache.
It's uplit, and the anger. Imagine being able to put that much anger into a clay face.
Yeah.
With the eyebrows and the lines in the forehead. Just the amount of anger and looking directly at Will. Now, what you'll see, Will, just like the real event, he at first is laughing.
Yeah.
Will Smith, I'm talking about, the claymation. So go back a little bit.
He's crying laughing.
Yeah, so he starts laughing here. He's laughing, eyes closed. She turns. Okay, here we go. And then he has a little tear. Then he looks over and bang, he gets hit with the laser beam eyes.
Dude, this frame by frame play is hilarious.
This is the key moment right here. This is where everything changes. And his expression changed. He goes, oh.
And then snaps into it and angry. Look at
There you go. He takes off going. Look at the lighting on this, dude. It's so dramatic.
It is very dramatic.
Well done. Yeah, whipped it up, whipped it together. You got to appreciate, man.
Mm-hmm.
Whether we're talking about our place on Reddit and how quickly humans interact and put things together and react and respond, it's all very impressive, including, just imagine the energy in the room as the stop motion animator is crafting what he knows is going to be an absolute hit.
Yeah.
He just knows it. Like, this is the most no-brainer claymation you could ever put together. He's like, Will Smith did what? Will Smith did what?
The only challenge is speed.
That's
only
it.
thing is be before everybody else.
That's it. No, but not only challenge. He has to make it good.
Right. It still needs to be.
He has to make it good. And you look at the like to dislike ratio on this, man.
Oh, wow.
It's nutty. Almost 400,000 likes to 2,000 dislikes.
Wow.
5.4 million views.
Shout out.
Sick. Absolutely sick.